to your heart, take me to your soul, never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby, and never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You and me, written in the stars. You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day, send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, baby.
Hey my minkies, happy taco day, guys. I know I usually don't post till Thursday, so I'm trying to get this video out today on Wednesday, which is, I believe, taco day. I'm not sure. If it ain't, just take this as a meal. But I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I have this amazing, I don't know if you guys can see me, hold on. Yeah, I have this amazing tuna taco, guys. Well, you might as well say chalupa, because baby, I had to improvise a lot on this because I was trying to hurry up and get this video out. Okay, so the taco is a chalupa, which I did not fry. I air fried it, guys. Yes, I said that right, air fried it. Okay, so then we have the tuna. We mix the tuna up and everything like that. We just added the mayo and the egg, the boiled eggs. I don't know how you guys like your tuna. You could do it however way you like. And then I added some ranch dressing on top. Drizzled that on top, and then you got the that's a buzz, guys, if you hear that in the background. Then we have the shredded cheese, so you can add whatever you would like. And then I have my little pickle on the side, guys. I love this. I mean, it was a matter of making my own taco. You know, that was a first for me. This is my first time making a chalupa and then air frying it. That's crazy. Okay, so we're gonna taste this, guys. Give me a sec. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try this. Ooh, I'm gonna give you guys a bite first. Look at that. Ooh, okay, let's try it, guys. This is really good. I highly recommend this, guys. Y'all can't see me. I highly recommend this. This is so good. This is so good, guys. I love this. Super messy though. Really messy, but I love it. Okay, I gotta set it down because I'm gonna forget I'm talking to y'all, and y'all, I'm gonna just still keep munching and eat. Okay, so my dog looking at me like, you just not gonna offer me a bite? You just gonna eat that in front of me and then try to make it look like it's really that good? He's just sitting there waiting for me to throw him something, guys. I will show you him, but he needs to be grown first, baby, before I show you him. But anyway, this is amazing, guys. And the chalupa, the way it came out in the air fryer, it kind of tastes like a chalupa slash biscuit. Yes. And I love it. That's the crazy part about it. It actually tastes good, y'all. Please do taste this. Taste this. I'm telling you, it is really good if you love tuna. Because I know a lot of people do not like tuna, guys. But I love tuna, and tuna has so many good benefits in it. You know what I'm saying? For the body. I'm sorry, my earpiece keep falling out, but that is so good. And then with the ranch dressing, let me tell y'all, this is my first time tasting tuna with ranch dressing and mayo together. What? Okay, I just had to tell you guys this and show you guys this recipe. How is your day going, guys? I hope your day is going fine. My day is going great. Today is the day for that emergency thing to go off on our phones and devices and everything like that, TV. We have everybody going in chaos over this, guys. Chaos. And it just went off for like, what, a few seconds? And then it wasn't even that loud. Well, I guess maybe I had my earpiece in, so I don't know. But it only went off a couple of seconds. And it wasn't even all that. They got people that actually took their kids out of school for this, guys. What do you think about that? Oh my gosh. But I guess rather safe than sorry. But I don't think I would have took my child out of school for that. But to each his own. Everybody do their own little thing, their own preference. But we okay over here with this test from, I guess it was FEMA, I think. Yeah. But we're okay and everything went well, guys. I don't know what is going on in Paris. Did y'all hear about that? About the bed bugs? What do you guys think about that? Oh my gosh. I was like, infestation? Like, I wonder if a lot of people that travel out there know. I'm sorry, y'all, I can't see my eyes, and I hate that when you can't see somebody's eye. Let me take these glasses off. Okay, that's why I don't like wearing my glasses in my videos. I try not to, but sometimes I have to. But I had to look at this doggone sandwich with my glasses, baby, because that sandwich looked good, let me tell you. But wait till my husband tastes this, but he's not here right now, he's at work. But guys, yeah, the bed bug infestation, whatever, in Paris. Like, what is going on? How did that even happen? I'm like thinking, like, are you serious? Can you imagine the people that travel, saved all this money to travel out there and then go, and what if they bring it back out here, and then our United States is like infestated, you know, however you say that, I might be saying that wrong, is it has bed bugs all over the place too, you know, because you think about it like this: people gotta go back home, you know, if they don't stay in Paris. And what if, you know, the bed bugs is what if the bed bugs is invested in they suitcases or whatever? I might be going a little overboard, but guys, have you heard that story? That is crazy. Did y'all hear about the McRib coming back? Baby, I'm thinking about, I need to wipe my hands. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so did y'all hear about the McRib from McDonald's coming back? Guys, I'm really considering doing a McRib sandwich myself, coming for myself, just like the McDonald's McRib, because I love that sandwich. Oh my gosh, I don't even care that they said that they wasn't gonna bring that sandwich back. As long as they bring it back, that's all that matters to me, you know. And I'm looking over here, and I know the camera's right there. I don't know. Anyway, guys, what do you guys think about them bringing back the McRib? I mean, I'm excited. So, and I really want to go get it from McDonald's, just like I did the Starbucks grilled cheese sandwich. I want to go get it, and then I want to make it, because I want to see. Some people might not be able to afford it, and they could just make it at their own house, you know. And just in case they take it away again, you know how to make it at your house. You know what I'm saying? Well, anyway, guys, like this video if you enjoy, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for the world to see, guys. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for supporting me. Bye bye, my minkies.